Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this channel today guys, I'll be showing you how to make MoinMoin. Some people call it olele, I don't know, but I know it's MoinMoin. So I went ahead to wash my beans like that, and I'm going to be using some bell pepper, scotch, bonnet and onion as I showed earlier. Now it's time to pour it into a blender. Actually, I left it for about 30 minutes in order to soften up, and that's what I have. So I just added it to the blender, added some water, and now it's time to blend. And guys, I just repeated the same process for all of the beans and peppers with the onions, and this is what I have. I'm just going to be adding some salt, some seasoning powder, and now vegetable oil. I'm going to be mixing this very well. And this is the consistency I have now. Obviously, it's so thick, and I'm going to be adding some water. We have to adjust the consistency of this MoinMoin to a desired one, okay guys? So I'm just gonna stir in the water just like so. Now I'm going to be adding my boiled mackerel fish. I'm going to be adding some corned beef, and this is what I have. I'm still gonna be mixing them well. Now I sliced some eggs, and I'm adding some blended crayfish. So I'm going to be mixing it so well like this. And the MoinMoin is still too thick, so I have to add some more water. So I think this consistency is okay now. Just adjust your consistency to your desired one, okay? So guys, I just added some more salt because I added water, and I'm just going to be mixing it well too. So now it's time to make our MoinMoin, and I'm just going to be scooping some amount of the MoinMoin mixture into my MoinMoin pouch like so, and I'm just closing the ziplock of the pouch afterwards. So I just went ahead to boil some water, and I placed all my pouches of MoinMoin into it, and I cooked it for 45 minutes. And guys, 45 minutes later, this is what I have. Look at how beautiful